Hey everybody, my name is Karina. Welcome back. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make delicious albóndigas. I'm gonna be making these albóndigas with pork sausage. This is how my mom taught me how to make them. They're so good, super delicious and tender. If you've never had them like that, let me show you guys how. For this recipe, we're gonna start off by making our albóndigas. I'm gonna be using 1 pound of regular pork sausage. We're gonna be adding some corn masa. We're using about half a cup. We're also gonna add 1 egg. Now we're gonna mix it. This is how it should look once your egg and the masa is mixed into the meat. We're gonna start making our albóndigas. And we make them about this size. And we'll do the same for the rest of the meat. Okay, our albóndigas are now done, and it made about 20 to 22 albóndigas. I'm gonna set my pot on medium heat. Once the pot is hot, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm gonna add 1 yellow pepper, 1/4 of a white onion, and 1 garlic clove. We're just gonna fry it for about 30 seconds. I'm gonna be adding some rice. We're using half a cup of white rice, and we're gonna fry that as well until it's golden. Okay, our rice is now golden, and I'm gonna be adding 2 Roma tomatoes. Once the tomato has released its juice, we're gonna add 1/4 cup of tomato sauce. Give it a mix, and then we're gonna add in the water. I'm adding about 6 cups of boiled water. Then we add 1 tablespoon of beef bouillon. Give it a mix, and once it comes to a boil, we're gonna add in our potatoes. It's now boiling, so let's add the potatoes. I'm using 2 potatoes. We're gonna cover it up and let it cook for 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes, and it's looking great. Now we're gonna add in the albóndigas. Once we've added in the albóndigas, we're gonna add 1 calabacita. And last, some cilantro. We cover it up and let it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. It's been 8 minutes, and I'm gonna check to see if our albóndigas are ready. Okay, they are ready. Now I'm gonna serve myself a bowl of albóndigas. And there you have it, delicious albóndigas. Okay guys, my favorite part, and it's burning outside. It's so hot here in California, but if you're Mexican, you know that us Mexicans always eat caldos when it's burning hot outside. So enjoy. The meat is so soft, delicious. If you haven't tried it with this type of meat, I suggest you do so. You won't regret it. If you've made it this far and you've not yet subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.